Hey, what's going on? Adam here. If you are watching this video, you are probably checking out the AI Affiliate Institute. What I did to do this review for you, I'm going to save you time and I'm going to save you money because I already signed up for it just to take you inside. And I have been testing it for the last couple of weeks just to give you a review. So I'm not going to give you a review on something I have not tried or I'm not using. So this would be not a good review. So just to let you know, okay? And then during this video, I am not going to recommend it, or I'm not going to ask you to sign up for it. I'm just going to show it to you and I'm going to give you my opinion. You know, as a six-figure earner, I've been doing affiliate marketing since 2021. Personally, I kind of stay away from this kind of systems because they are built, you know, as an MLM kind of, you know, structure that benefits mostly the companies and the owners of the company. And I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about, okay? As you can see, I already signed up, okay? And I already paid $88, okay? And they charged me also another $10 for something I don't understand still what it is for some kind of phone system they have there in their software. Okay, and then another $1 here. See, my card had been charged another $10, so $88.90, over $100 right now. So far they have charged me over $140. This is the last charge here, $21.75. Okay, so it's not 88, it's more than that. All right, so just want to show you that I have paid this. Okay, and then basically what you are getting is you are signing up for a software. AI affiliate system is built on a software called High Level. You probably heard of it, okay? So basically you are paying for that. Simple as that, okay? So that's they have 3 levels. So this is the first level. They call it, you know, the light level, the light version or the light pro, whatever. You know, $88, but it's more than that. So basically you are just signing up for a software, for a funnel, you know, builder. An email service and a funnel builder, you know, like kind of software. All right, inside, let me show you what you get. This is what you get. You know, you have to spend money on a domain name, and then you get a funnel like this to refer people to, so they can sign up. Basically, you're just referring people to the system. Okay, hold on a second. I'm going to show you inside the system how it looks like. So this is my billing payments. I'm just going to cancel it very soon. I've been with them since right now, as you can see on the screen, August 22nd. So it's not like yesterday, okay? Today is like September 8th, I think. There is a training, you get set up. It takes you about 2 days to get set up. You get this network funnel, and this is the one that you set up, okay? It has a landing page and a VSL page. That's it. You have to set it up yourself, okay? So you can watch videos. There is like about 8 videos, I think, okay? Once you do that, you go through the training, you are going to they have some resources here for you, affiliate resources, you know, that you can use, and you have to go out and promote it. That's the only thing that you get with the $88 a month. I mean, plus of course the other charges that they keep charging you for fees and other stuff. Okay, so over $100 a month. Now, if you want to get access to more campaigns, okay, if I click on it, you have to upgrade. Okay, and if you click on upgrade to AI Systems Pro, you are going to pay $199 a month. That's almost $200 a month plus more fees. So you are looking at $240, around that, okay? Or if you want to upgrade to AI Systems Elite, that's $500. Now, what's the difference? The first one, the one that I'm showing you right now, the AI System Lite, all you get, like I said, is just to promote that. Basically, okay, so you can earn commissions. Now, if you want to promote more, you know, opportunities or whatever, more affiliates offers, you just have to upgrade. Simple as that, okay? It's like $2,500 a year. Is it worth it? Let me show you. I always look at the money. Is it worth it or not? Look what you get. You get 25% if somebody signs up. I'm trying to read it. This is like a very small print. You get 25% only. You have to maintain your account in good standing, and then you get also 20%. They call it the uni level. This is an MLM structure, a compensation plan, okay? But to get that 20%, in order for you to qualify for that 20%, you have to generate at least 15 direct sales for the product. 15 direct sales. And they have something called the matrix. I have not seen anything of that yet. I've been with them for like 3 weeks now, and I pushed it honestly to see how that works. You have to produce 15 direct sales for the product as well. So it's an MLM company. That's how I understand it. Okay, it's an MLM, and I stay away normally from MLMs, but I want to do this review. So because I've seen people on YouTube not really going deep into this and showing exactly what this is all about. Okay, you are paying for a monthly or monthly fees for something, for the network to promote the same network to get only 25%. For that level. If you want to get 35%, you have to upgrade to $200 a month, which is like $2,400 a year. It's more than $2,500 a year because there's a lot of fees here. Okay. And then if you want to upgrade to more offers, whatever that is, you pay $500 a month. That's insane. In my opinion, this is a crap. Yes, you get some done for you offers, but the compensation plan, 25%, that's like, I don't touch anything below 80%, by the way. You have to work your ass off and promote like crazy just to bring them, more members into the system, and that will only give you 25%. I think this is unfair. I've been doing affiliate marketing and I made 6 figures with high ticket affiliate marketing, high ticket affiliate offers, okay, private offers, and I don't touch anything below, honestly, below 50%. Okay, let's put it this way. So 50% and above. At any time during this video, if you want to check out to see exactly what I'm doing, there will be a link below this video. Check it out. Okay, it's 80% and 100% matching bonus. Okay, it's an amazing, nothing compared to this. So this is an MLM company. Okay, watch out for this. It is not advertised as an MLM, but it is an MLM with multi-level. I don't like multi-levels. This is a great structure for the owner. The owner and the founders of the company, they are very successful. I'm not saying they are bad at all, but I haven't seen really a good real value. And I have not seen really much training that you can get benefit from so far. If you want to go and slave for this, honestly, for 25%, it's your call. I don't recommend it. I don't like this kind of business models. I like affiliate marketing, but not this structure, not 25%. Okay, that's too low. I can show you more stuff if you want me to, but this is pretty much it. With that membership, you get a website like this. You see, I went through the whole thing. I have no problem with having done for you. Everything is done for you these days. My 6-figure business, everything is done for you. Even the content is done for you. And you get 80%. And you get also a 100% matching bonus. It's not an MLM company. It's direct sales. Okay. That's where the money is being made. Okay. I'm just complaining about the compensation. You have to promote this. Okay. You have to promote this. Whether you like it or not, you have to spend money on advertisement. You have to spend money. You have to spend time on creating content. Okay, you have to spend money on, spend a lot of time to bring in people. So you have to really, really grind for 25% or 35%. Are you kidding me? If I'm going to grind, if I'm going to go out and promote something, if I don't get 80% minimum, I'm not going to touch it. So that's my opinion. Okay, that's number one. Number two, okay, now we talked about the compensation plan, nothing below 80%. Okay, that's my rules. That's personally my rules if I want to promote anything. All right, so keep that in mind. If you are new to this, nothing below 50-60%. And it has to have also 100% matching bonus. Compensation plan. Okay, let's talk about payments. I have to collect the payment. They have to pay you directly to your bank account. And because they will hold it for at least 60 days until you get paid. You have to get paid directly, instantly to your bank account. If you make the sale today, you're going to get the money today, straight to your bank account. Okay. If you run into something, that opportunity or that system or that business doesn't pay you direct, that money doesn't go directly to your bank account, don't touch it. Forget about it. Okay. Like, if, the ClickBank's network, for example, they hold your money for 60 days. There's a lot of refunds. By the way, don't touch anything that has refunds because people jump off, people don't stay. Okay. Now I gave this opportunity actually a shot. You can see that actually I have sent it to over 900 people. None of them were interested. Why? I have an email list. I got some feedback. They said, no, this is too low. 25% commission is too expensive. Yearly is very expensive. A lot of issues. Okay, expensive. MLM, you're not getting paid directly, and you have to work your ass off to make some money with this. Okay. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cancel tomorrow so they don't charge my credit card more. But I want to do a really honest review. Okay, an honest review. If you want to check out to see exactly what how to get to $10,000 a month easily, easily. Let me show you something here. Go ahead and check this out. I have a link underneath this video. Opt in and check out this training. Okay, this video training is going to show you exactly the secret affiliate system that no one is talking about. Okay, you won't see this advertised by gurus or anywhere. Honestly, these are the private offers I'm talking about, and you get basically everything is done for you, even the pre-made ads, pre-made content, sales funnels, money hub. You get paid directly to your bank account. Nobody holds your money. You get paid directly. You get more than 80%, more than 100% actually, because this has a 100% matching bonus, and you get to own this business for yourself. Okay, and nothing to set up. There is no really lengthy courses to take or dealing with tech headaches or creating products. None of that. Okay, at least it's worth to check it out if you are looking, for something easier, faster. And there is no monthly cost. Okay, there is no monthly cost. This is all included, and it's not expensive at all. It's an amazing business opportunity and system that we are using. It just launched also in September 2024. So check it out. I hope this review, was valuable. I'm not gonna go out and promote something. I want to earn good money. I want to pay my bills. I don't want to wait 60 days or 30 days to get paid, 25% of something that people are not really interested in. My experience with these type of business models, the retention rate is very low. People normally drop off after 2-3 months. So you work your ass off to sign up 5-10 people, and then after 2-3 months they drop off. You stop. The money is gone. Your earning is gone. So this is why I don't like this kind of business model. People drop off. Most of them are newbies. They come in, they think they're gonna make money, they're gonna get rich tomorrow, and then they have to set up everything and start promoting, blah blah blah. By that time, they are 1 month has gone by, and they get rebuild again, and they jump off, they drop off. This is my experience for the last 5 years. I've tried many different systems. Believe me, it's not sustainable. So you want to be in something that's direct sale, high commission, directly paid to you, to your bank account, no refunds, and that's where the money is. That's how you hit $10,000 a month easily. And I've done 6 figures. I've done over $98,000 just this year with this type of business model. I love it, and I don't change it to anything else. So with that being said, I hope this video was valuable. Please subscribe to the channel, support the channel, like and share this video. Maybe someone else would get benefit from it. So I've already done the work for you. I already paid for it, and I already tested it. Gave you my honest review, okay? An honest opinion. It's up to you. What do you want to do? I want to refer you to something much better for you, okay? So I wanted to make money fast. I wanted to get paid directly and get 100% matching bonus, get a better system. So check out the link below this video, and then let me know what you think. Take care for now. Bye.